Good morning, guys. What a beautiful morning is this. Check out waking up for this morning. Let's give you a quick look of this property, which is Camp Bettathur. So that was our stay, our tent for the night, and very well maintained. Look at this tent here, such a beautiful tent. And then you have power supply here, and you can also hang your clothes. So you have a small hanger, and it's completely covered on the top just in case it rains, because in Coorg rains are like really dense. And then from there you have a toilet. Again, I just want to show this because it's so clean and neat. That's the toilet. So every tent gets its dedicated toilet next to the... Good morning. Oh, beautiful. So that's our second tent. And again a toilet. And then you have parking place there. And then down there you have another tent. And two more tents on that side. And this is your lunch dinner area. And here you can charge all your stuff. So your mobile and everything can be charged here. So it gives you a proper power supply here. You can charge. And then this is the dining area. You can dine. Very nice. Night vibes are beautiful. Good morning, sir. And then that's the campfire area. Still burning. And then that's another area where they put up two tents, subject to people coming in there. And look at that full mist and fog. Oh, beautiful. And then you can put extra tents if you want here. Max that he entertains is about 20 to 25 people with home cooked food. If they're above that number, he gives you food from outside. And then there is a water or there's a river flowing within the property, which is here. You go down there, let me just show you. So this is this in-house stream which is there. Let's go a little closer. Now look at this. This is the in-house stream that they have. You can go play in the stream. And it's totally safe here, totally safe. Very well maintained and a good property. If you love to do a tent stay, definitely you should come and check this out, this place. And there's all our bikes. Oh, all our bikes have taken some beating yesterday. Everybody's dropped. I had a couple of drops yesterday. Even Dheeraj. Look at this. And NKK. So just woke up. We'll get freshened up, and maybe around 10 o'clock or so we'll leave from the property. Comment below and tell me what do you think of this property, and if you have any suggestions which are probably better than this, do share those. Comment now. Yes.